Tethered Android Auto and Apple CarPlay connections can be frustrating when they fail. The key to fixing them is properly diagnosing what type of problem you're facing. There are three main types of connection problems you might encounter. First, intermittent disconnections where the connection drops randomly. Second, complete failure to connect at all. And third, the phone charges but no data transfers for Android Auto or CarPlay. Now here's the most important diagnostic insight. USB cable problems account for about 40% of all connection issues. This makes the cable your first suspect in most troubleshooting scenarios. Beyond cable issues, there are two other main problem areas to consider: hardware problems with the car's USB ports and software glitches, either on your phone or in the car's infotainment system. Understanding these common problem areas helps you approach troubleshooting systematically. Start with the most likely cause, the cable, then move to hardware ports, and finally check software issues. This methodical approach saves time and gets you back to using Android Auto or CarPlay faster. The first and most common solution is to replace your USB cable. Use only high-quality certified cables for reliable connections. Next, inspect and clean your USB ports. Debris and dust can prevent proper connections. Use compressed air or specialized cleaning tools. Ensure your phone software is current. Update your operating system and the Android Auto app for Android devices or iOS for iPhones. If updates don't help, try resetting your network settings. This clears saved connections and can resolve compatibility issues. Check for vehicle infotainment system updates from your car manufacturer. These updates often fix compatibility issues with newer phone software. For persistent issues, try advanced techniques. Enable USB debugging on Android devices or check CarPlay restrictions in iPhone settings. Following these troubleshooting steps systematically will resolve most tethered connection issues. Start with the simplest solutions and work your way up to more advanced techniques.